Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. Python provides lots of data structure. But don't be afraid of data structure. Data structure is just a way to organizing the data. Python provides so many data structure like string, list, tuple, dictionary. So in this lecture we will learn about the data structure tuple, which is most important concept in Python. So the tuple is a standard data structure that is ordered and immutable. Means you cannot change the element of tuple in place. Now, the creation of tuple is very easy by just using the parenthesis or round bracket. Let's take an example. We are taking an example of type of cakes. So, cake type equal to, in small bracket or in parenthesis, we write like Black Forest, comma, chocolate, comma, velvet. So, these are the different types of cakes. Now, you may be thinking that list and tuples both are similar, but no. These are similar in some terms, but they are little bit different. How it is different? So, the list is mutable while the tuple is immutable. Then the list is dynamic while tuple is static. Then in list we use square bracket, but in tuple we use parenthesis. So these are the basic differences between list and tuple, but they both are used for storing the sequence of values, but their nature will be different. Now let's see the demonstration of tuple using the program. This is our Python shell. Now we will create a tuple cake type equal to pass three elements: chocolate, velvet, then Black Forest. Now our tuple got created. Now type the name of the tuple, then we get all the values. So we will write cake type and then press enter. So we got all the values: chocolate, velvet and Black Forest. We can also get all the values of tuple by using the print function like this. Print cake type and then press enter. So we got this result. Now we can also print elements one by one using any loop, either for loop or while loop. Let's see how can we do. So we will write for C type. C type is a variable which counts from 0 to length. In cake type, then we will print C type. Now press the enter key. So we got it one by one, all the elements. Now to access individual element of tuple, then we use indexing. Suppose we have to print velvet cake, then we have to use the indexing. So we will write print cake type and the indexing is 1 and then press the enter. So we get the value velvet cake. Now there are some different type of examples of tuple like empty tuple. So create a empty tuple by using simply parenthesis. So we will write t equal to parenthesis and then we will write simple t, then enter. So we get the empty tuple. Now the second function is tuple function. By this we can also create the empty tuple. T equal to tuple and parenthesis and then we access the empty tuple. Now if we have a single tuple, then we cannot write t equal to 3. It's tricky because if we give just one element in parenthesis, then Python considered it's a value. So we have to use t equal to in parenthesis 3 comma then parenthesis close. Means in this we have to use comma compulsory. Then it will give the single value as a tuple, otherwise it will considered as a value. Now we can also create the nested tuple, means a tuple inside the another tuple. So for example, t1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma again next tuple which is 3 comma 4. Then we will print the t1. Then it will gives the result as a single tuple 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now the next is we can also create the tuple from any sequence using the tuple object. For example, t equal to tuple India. Then it will gives the individual characters as a tuple. So this is the basic concepts of tuple. And in our next lecture we will see operations on tuple. Thank you.